Skylar. Mama, where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where are you going, my love? Where are you going? No, that's dirty. Don't go near the trash. Come on, let's go find Ryan. Say, Ryan. Call Ryan. Call your brother, Mama. Ryan. 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 Say, Daddy. She's calling you. She's saying, Ryan. Daddy's in his undies. Let's turn this off.